Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I'm going to babble for a few minutes, and then I'm going to give you some interesting information. So stay tuned. First, the Babble. The Babble is I've got my two-step verification set up so that I don't lose my revenue from my channel. Now, what I had to give up is my emails that go to or come from the account that this channel is associated with now does not work on my old version of Outlook. My old version of Outlook doesn't know anything about two-step verification. The second problem I was having is when I was trying to set up two-step verification, one of the options is to send you a code to a phone that can receive text. And so I did that step, never got the code. So that's when I gave up for a while and could not get two-step. It appeared that I had it enabled, but I never did get the code to verify or something like that. Anyway, what I tried after trying all kinds of other things, yesterday I said, okay, don't send me a text with the code, call me. I was like hesitant to do that, but I thought, what the heck, I'm desperate now. So it did work. I did get a phone call on my phone. It was a automated voice saying that to some effect, here is your code. And so then I went to two-step verification, entered that code, and bingo, it was turned on. So it appears that it's working, which means come November, I can still be in the YouTube creators community and still receive commissions for ads that they put in my videos. The other reason I was pushing to get that working is because I also read that even if I opt out and don't complete the two-step verification, that they would still put ads in my videos. And I'm like, well, that would have been the only reason I would opt out and not do two-step verification, because at least I would get the advantage to my viewers that I could not have any ads anymore. I wouldn't make any money, but I wouldn't have any ads. But whether I read, it said, nah, we're going to put ads in there regardless, whether you get paid for them or not. So I said, okay, if you're going to put ads in my videos, I want to get paid for it. So that's why I pursued getting the two-step verification turned on. I think it's turned on. I'm not getting the notifications when I upload a new video to go turn on two-step. So that's the Babble. That's where my channel is. I think we're good. I just have to manually read my emails for that account on the internet or Gmail. Now, the good news, let me change here, is the solar flux index is jumping up. I mean, jumping up here. Look at the numbers here. We were running in the 70s. Then it went up to 80s. Then it went up to 90s. Now it's up to 111. Bingo! That's the number we want, above 100. And what does that mean? That means possibly that shortwave reception should improve. Possibly. So, and the solar flux index is dependent on the number of sunspots. And you can see this, look at this. 11, 11, 11, 46, 95, 91. And the A index, which you want that to be low, is low. So crank up your shortwave radios. Listening should be improving based on the solar flux number. So that's the good news. I'm going to do some shows on showing shortwave reception. I had been reverting to using radios on the internet throughout the world so that I could listen to shortwave. Now maybe I can get back to listening to shortwave on my radio locally. There was one other thing I was going to ask you. What was it? I don't remember. But anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for your encouragement to get that two-step verification working. It's working now, with the exception of the Outlook not working. Have a great day. Bye-bye.